Welcome aboard Discover Better Boating. I'm Dave White. And boat sales and boat use this year is going right off the charts, which means there's a lot of folks out on the water in new boats, or even if you're an old boater, we need to be thinking about that routine maintenance. I'm here on the Seneca River with Kevin Cooper from Cooper's Marina. And you know, Kevin, one of the first things people really need to think about is what routine maintenance do I need to do on the trailer before I even leave the house?
Trailer obviously is a very important item when it comes to towing. You know, jack up the axle and spin the wheel bearings every now and then. Make sure they're very quiet, not rough or anything. There's no play in the wheel itself. Check your brake fluid if it has brakes equipped to make sure that it's up to snuff. Check the tire pressure. Make sure you have proper inflation to tow the trailer.
You know, we want to make sure we're having that fun day out on the water as well. What do I need to do to make sure my boat's in good working order to have a great day?
Again, routine maintenance is key to a fun day on the water. It can solve a lot of problems and not having to be towed in. Most people neglect things like checking your oil levels in the gear case, in the engine itself. Water pump impellers, which is what cools your engine, they're a rubber impeller, and they need to be changed on a regular scheduled basis. If not, they end up getting brittle and old and break off, and then pieces go through your cooling system and you have issues. So a lot of expense can be saved by doing the proper maintenance in your boat.
You know, you mentioned towing, and I know that's always on the back of people's mind. And what if I have a problem when I'm out on the water?
If you have a problem, I mean, obviously, if you can call a friend or contact someone that can come get you, usually there's other boaters out there that will help you. There is also, you know, towboat and other sources that will tow you in case of emergency. And some marinas have that service as well, depending on what body of water you're on.
Thanks, Kevin. That was great information. And you know, as boaters, by spending maybe that half hour before you leave the house to check the trailer, the boat, all your gear to make sure it's in good working order, little routine maintenance can go a long way to make sure you have a great day out on the water. For Discover Better Boating, I'm Dave White.
Discover Better Boating is sponsored by the Boating Industries Association of Upstate New York. Find out more at cnyboating.com.